Welcome to PV, Solar, Sim.com. Solar system for PC, fridge, and water pump, for $2,500? Wow! This is great. Quick answer is yes. Thoughtful answer is but not all at once. Pessimistic answer is no. You will damage your appliances and electronics. Why is the quick answer yes a good one? Because you can buy 3 solar panels of 500 watts each, inverter of 24 volts and 1800 watts, 8 normal batteries of 100 amps hour and 12 volts each. You will need 4 connections Y-shape, MC4 type. I insist not to build a photovoltaic system without earth protection. We recommend you to use 8 batteries, 2 of each put in series 4 times, then the 4 series, connected in parallel. See the image to understand better what I'm saying here. The black cable connects the batteries together to add up to 24 volts, as seen in the electrical diagram. Then, pull the plus and minus wires from each one and gather them all together. Connections can be made easily with battery terminals. Summary for quick answer, yes. When the sun is perfectly positioned for the solar panels, they will produce 1,500 watts, that you could use for a PC, that consumes about 200 watts, a low-flow water pump, that consumes 500 to 650 watts, and a refrigerator, that consumes about 100 watts. The rest of the energy produced is for lighting. Thoughtful answer will be, but not all at once. Yes, it is very good to be a little skeptical about this. Because, if there is not enough sun, or it is cloudy or raining, snowing, you will not have the necessary power to operate these electrical appliances. For this reason, we recommend caution and not to use the water pump when it is cloudy or at night. The PC and the refrigerator can be used for a period of time, approximately 6 to 7 hours, on batteries without help from the sun. Pessimistic answer, no. You will damage your appliances and electronics. Answer. And here, it is normal to be a little skeptical about these solar systems. But, the most important thing is to choose an inverter that has the option of automatically connecting to the network or to a generator. In this way, you will not endanger any device used in your solar system. This is the solution.